Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to My Crypto. Today we are going to make price prediction and technical analysis for Bitcoin. And of course, before we begin, I hope that you're having a fantastic day and do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto for easy profits. Thank you for watching. Let's go right now and start with the price analysis. So what eventually Bitcoin did yesterday was to form a nice green candlestick. This prevented the crash going on from Bitcoin, but we stopped at the 30.5k. Why did we stop there? First of all, it was a huge resistance level coming in for the short term. 30.5k was also a huge resistance level on this period of time for BTC. So of course, this is right now why we found resistance. Also, it is the 20-day MA near here. So it is very important to know that this is a very strong line that we cannot go up easily. Okay, right now we might see further correction going on. The good part is that yesterday we had actually a very nice green candlestick, and this could be bullish for the next days. I will explain why, but we will see the exact price targets. Before we go to the detailed analysis of Bitcoin, let's go to Bitcoin's dominance. It is very important to see this chart because if Bitcoin's dominance is rising, then avoid getting into the altcoins. And what I mean by that is if BTC has a crash rate there, then the altcoins will correct even more while Bitcoin's dominance is rising. You can check the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart as well. Look at this. We are absolutely in a nightmarish position right there. Ethereum has dropped against Bitcoin in just few weeks for more than 20%, right? This is crazily important. Neckline right here, head and shoulders pattern, we lost it, and right now we should be going further down. We have one very important support level, and that is on the weekly frame, the 0.1061. Okay, if we can manage to pull it off and close above, this would be good. However, if we close below, then expect a further crash from Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, a further correction going on. Okay, so for now, we hope that we can close again above the 0.061, and maybe we hope that we have here a bullish RSI divergence on the daily, maybe to push the price even higher for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. For BTC USDT right now, what we need to do is to cross the 20-day MA and to close above the 30.5k. This would bring very nice price pattern, and I think that we could easily be approaching the 31.8k again. However, right now, if we do not go and cross above, we do not even have to close above, we need to cross above this line right here, the 30.6k, then things are very hard. On the 4-hour frame, if we go there into the lower time frames, we are going to see something. First of all, we are seeing a rejection going on. Secondly, we do not have a crazy oversold situation. As you can see with the RSI, as you can see with the commodity channel index, we can go down furthermore. So what are we going to do in this terms, right? When you cannot decide with the technical analysis what to do, you are sticking to the price analysis and you are sticking to certain targets. So basically what we want to have here is that Bitcoin can manage to have as a support level the 28.9 to 28.7k. If we cannot manage to have the 28.9 to 28.7k, then be certain that Bitcoin is going to crash down more, and eventually it's going to be huge despair onto the people, right? Because we need a swing high of relief, and therefore the 31.8k wasn't exactly a swing high of relief, right? But right now we need to see Bitcoin popping up. In the meantime, we cannot assume with the technical analysis that we have something bullish. Instead, we can correct furthermore, right? We cannot assume that Bitcoin is bullish right now or it will go even higher now, especially that we found rejection from the 30.5k. Very possible scenario to go down to the 28.7 to 28.9k for the time being. Okay, so it is quite possible that BTC will go down to these levels that we are having on the 4-hour frame as well, 28.7 to 28.9. These are important support levels for the weekly frame as well. If we can find a buying pressure again on them, then be certain that Bitcoin isn't done yet. But if we can go further down from them, then be certain that Bitcoin is done for the next weeks, and you should be really careful. Sorting out positions would be better than go long, especially right now that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart doesn't look good. On the other hand though, what we might see on Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is a bullish RSI divergence. That will be fantastic for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart and for the altcoins as well. And this could be bring down a little bit the Ethereum's Bitcoin's dominance, the Bitcoin's actually dominance, and bring up the altcoin's dominance. Okay, so perhaps this is the case right here for BTC against USDT chart. For now, we do not know if we are going to correct or we are going upwards with the technical analysis, but all we know is that closing above the 30.5k on the 4-hour frame will get us to further price targets going on, and you can see that we can also get to the 31.2k and maybe the 31.7k again. So yes, perhaps we can go to these levels, but first we have to close above the 30.5k in the daily frame better, or to cross up the 30.6k. all right, either of them is fine for Bitcoin. Please be careful trading during these times that we are having huge volatility. We do not have a clear uptrend or a clear downtrend. Okay, so right now what we want to see, at least for the altcoins, is a bullish RSI divergence formation from this point to this one right here. And maybe we could assume that we can go even higher with the altcoins as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.